There's a squirrel on our tree. It's October 31st. We've taken the kids trick-or-treating, and of course we've been getting ready for Halloween all day. Right? No! It's Christmas, bitches! Oh look, there's John. Here's the Christmas tree. It's lovely. Garland everywhere. Look, here's my wreath. You can't really see it because all the lights. But it's so pretty. My mama made it whenever I don't even know if I was going to school yet when she made it. I was so young. Look at this. It's so cute. Here's Arrow. Arrow! Say hey. Hey! No, she don't want to. Christmas tree. These are my suckers, lollipops, whatever you want to call them. I made them myself. There's a huge problem. But aren't they cute? There's Joshua again. Hey. Stockings.
I didn't do any of this. She did every bit of this by herself.
Yes.
Every bit of it.
Today.
She's crazy.
Halloween.
She's crazy. Go ahead, continue.
Okay. Of course, you have to have the clock that sings Christmas music every hour.
On the hour.
On the hour. Because it's not Christmas without that. We have our old stockings on the stairs. Some Christmas dealies here. Oh. We have a skull. He's gold for Christmas. But also for every other day of the year because he's awesome. Here's the hallway. It's a Christmas wonderland. Down the hallway, I have to show you this. Everyone hates it, including me most of the time. In the bathroom is a toilet paper holder. Let me see if you can see it in the dark. You can't see it in the dark. I have to turn the light on. Woo! It's the toilet paper holder. See this? It sings Christmas music too. Of course. Okay. Here's our curtain of lights and balls. Because you gotta have that. Here's our Charlie Brown tree. He's gorgeous. And then, of course, every cabinet has a wreath. Have a wreath over the window. More wreaths over there. And just in case you weren't sure, we need you to have a Merry Christmas. I'm also so extra, I already have wrapped presents under the tree. Do you see all these presents? Yeah, I did that. Also, that's how you get squirrels.